Today, while coin roll hunting for episode 392, came across this nice die clash. You see the lines, right? That's these lines here, and you can see it also here, right there. You can see it nice. That's the Lincoln Memorial column. Look, you can see it here. See the line? I guess that's the stairs. But, of course, it has to be on this totally destroyed penny. If not, it would have value. I don't think it has. See, this is why condition is so important. Because honestly, I think in this condition, it has no value. You know, I don't even think cleaning it would, maybe with the copper cleaner. I don't think so. I don't know how that copper cleaner works on clad. Yeah, to me, this is a, just send it back to the bank. Let me know if you would keep this in the comments below. Please click like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Now, obviously, when you look at this penny, you can see that something is wrong, right? There's a dent on one side of the penny right here. And what happens is it went through the 8 in the date. And as a result, it kind of created a little bit of machine doubling. Looks like there's a little circle in between the two 8s. Please click like, subscribe.